and I was dancing here like once per month with a group of people. They were quite creative.
I'm here with a special challenge for you today. Can you guess where I'm right now? The clues are all around, so put on your detective hat and get ready for an exciting adventure. I'm surrounded by a city that's steeped in history, where every corner tells a tale. The energy is perceivable, the streets are alive, and the vibes are absolutely irresistible. Take a look at these stunning views, and can you guess which city I'm exploring today? In the heart of the Balkans, the city unveils its unique blend of past and present, surrounding the diverse landscape. Strolling through cobblestone streets, you can feel a vibrant fusion of architectural styles.
So this is the first experience in Skadarlia.
The nightlight pulses with energy as cafes, bars, and clubs come alive under the evening sky. The sounds of music, laughter, and conversation creates dynamic ambience, making it clear that this is a place where the night is as alive as the day.
I will try and see if I have allergies.
Best nightlife in have to come to have a good nightlife. You have to do it. There's no car, okay? Take some cards and let's play. 5 minutes.
Where is my car?
Ivana, any clue? No car. Are you sure you wanna go home?
A fantastic way to discover this locally is by strolling through the city, popping into churches, different cafes, and vintage stores along the way. One of my favorite stores is a bookstore called Dveri. You must visit. I know of a charming gallery, Camera Obscura. The staff there is delightful, friendly, and exceptionally creative. Occasionally, they host special guests showcasing their unique works, and their permanent exhibits are constantly breathtaking. For the first time, I visited this museum when I trained sword fighting. The chronological layout of the displays allow guests to trace the military evolution of this country from ancient time to the modern era. Whether it's examining medieval armor, understanding the country's role in the significant historical events, or exploring the technological advancements of the armed force, the museum offers a rich and educational experience. Ljubica offers very freshly caught fish and fish soup. It's situated by the water, creating an atmosphere that feels like you're on vacation. And if you're looking to immerse yourself in authentic cuisine of this country, ambience and a way of life, you must visit this kafana, how we call it.
Sophie!
Yeah, that's my favorite. A little bit spicy and lots of fish. And nice. Još, ali daj male, small pieces, Sophie. Vozi. We're coming back, Sophie. Vraćamo se.
And one more spot you need to visit is Rakia Urban Distillery. Rakia and Company stands out as one of the top gift shops specializing in this country's souvenirs. Rakia and Company is a go-to destination for visitors. This shop provides an area of traditional brandies, wines, homemade culinary delights, and authentic handcrafted gifts. So are you caught in a guessing a game about the country? And hold on tight, because just before the big reveal, here's one more clue to keep you on the edge of anticipation. City the cheers for tennis legend echo through the air. A Grand Slam champion, a symbol of resilience, and a court conqueror, this destination is the hometown of none other than Novak Djokovic. Of course, Belgrade, Serbia, a dynamic city that never sleeps, pulsing this energy, positivity, and a constant dream of events. Explore the incredible culinary scene and discover a place with a varied offering. If you have any specific interest or questions about this destination, feel free to let me know and I'll do my best to provide the information you're looking for. And see you in the next one!
So this is for my vloggers. We are happy.
We are windy happy.
Find the car. We can't find the car. Oh, we find the car. Yay. Finally, after 20 minutes.
Stavljamo na internet podatke.
Neću sve. Spodelić.
Šalje nam pa ćemo da zapazimo. Na approval, šalje na approval, molim te.
Na approval, okay. Look. Ooh. No, this one. This one. This one. BMW Motorsport.
You're constantly cleaning something.
Hey, come back, Sophie. Look at that. I think Olya didn't teach you well. I said, take a brush, Olya will teach you how to paint, and then it doesn't look good. Cheese. Traci. Okay, I'm running.
That's